Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Ambai, and today's video I'm going to show you how to make this diamond granny square. Now you can use different color for each round. I'm going to use 4 different colors for the first 4 rounds, and then I'm just using one for the remaining rows. So that's just up to you which one you prefer. For this tutorial I'm using all acrylic, a mixture of Red Heart and mainstays. I'm also using a 3.75mm hook, but the recommended hook size for those yarn that I'm using is a 5mm, so it's up to you if you want to use that or the recommended hook for your yarn that you're using. You're also going to need a darning needle, a stitch marker if you still need that, and your scissors. Now this is a very easy tutorial, so if you are a beginner, you should be able to make this. So yeah, let's get started. So to begin, we're gonna start with a magic ring. And this is how I make my magic ring. I leave the end tail like this, wrap the working yarn out of my finger, and then over the end tail with a crossover like this. Then I pinch it right there where the crossover is. Pull the loop out of my fingers, grab my hook, put it through the loop, grab the working yarn and pull up. Now you're going to chain 3 to begin. 1, 2, and 3. And this is going to count as your first stitch. So I'm going to put my stitch marker in the 3rd chain. And you're going to make 2 more double crochet into the magic ring. And to make a double crochet, you're going to yarn over, put your hook into the magic ring, yarn over, pull up. You should have 3 loops on the hook. You're going to yarn over and pull through 2 first. Then yarn over and pull through the next 2. So that's 1, and you're going to make 1 more, 2. Then chain 2, and you're going to repeat this 3 more times. So 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, chain 2. Oops. So that's 1 double crochet, 3 double crochet, then chain 2, and 3. Chain 2, and now you can slip stitch into that first chain 3 that you did into the 3rd chain. Chain 1, cut your yarn because we're done with the first color. Now for the second round, we're going to start with a standing stitch. So make a slip knot with your yarn. And we're going to do a double crochet standing stitch. So with the end tail, you want to put that against the back of your work like this. Hold it down. And we're going to start in the chain 2 space. So yarn over first. With your hook in the knot, you're going to yarn over first. Put your hook into the chain 2, yarn over, pull up. You should have 3 loops on the hook, and you can go ahead and finish your double crochet like normal. So yarn over and pull through only 2 first. And then yarn over and pull through the final 2. So that is your first double crochet standing stitch. Now you're going to make 2 more double crochet into that same chain 2 space. So yarn over, that's 1, and 2. Now you're going to make more stitches in there, so move your stitches towards the right, to the side, then chain 2. So after the 3 double crochet, you're going to chain 2, And now you're going to make 3 more double crochet into that chain 2 space. That's 1, 2, and 3. And you're going to go ahead and repeat this in the next 3 chain 2 spaces. And I'll meet you in the last chain 2 space. So 3 double crochet, chain 2, and 3 double crochet in each chain 2 space. So this is my last double crochet, and I'm going to slip stitch into that first standing double crochet that we did to finish up second round. Chain 1, cut your yarn, alright, so for our third round we're also going to start with another standing stitch. So go ahead and make a slip knot with your yarn. And this time we're going to start in the chain 2 space. And we're doing another standing double crochet stitch 2. So yarn over, put your hook into the chain 2 space, yarn over, pull up. You should have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. That's 1 double crochet. You're going to make 2 more in the chain 2 space. 1, 2. And then you're going to chain 2 and repeat 3 more double crochet in the same chain 2 space like we did in the previous round. So chain 1, chain 2, and 3 more. 1, 2, and 3. And you're going to make 3 double crochet in the space between the 3 double crochets from the previous round. It's 1 and 3. Now in the next chain 2 space, you're going to repeat what we did here. So that's the pattern. You're going to make 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet in each of the chain 2 spaces. And in between those, you're going to make 3 double crochet in the space between the 3 double crochet groups. So go ahead and finish this up. I'll meet you back at that last space between the 3 double crochets right here. Okay, so this is my last stitch, and I'm going to slip stitch back into that first standing double crochet. Chain 1, cut your yarn because we are done with this round. Okay, for round 4, we're also doing another double crochet standing stitch. So make a slip knot with your yarn. And we're going to start in any of the chain 2 spaces. yarn over and then put your hook through the chain 2, yarn over, pull up. You should have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and that's our first standing double crochet. We're gonna do 2 more double crochet in that chain 2 space. Chain 2 and make 3 more double crochet in that chain 2 space. And now you're gonna make 3 double crochet in the 2 spaces, in the next 2 spaces, so between the 3 double crochets. It's 1, 2, and 3, and then another 3 in the next space, so that's 1, 2, and 3. And now in the next chain 2 space, you're going to repeat what we did here. So 3 double crochet, chain 2, and 3 double crochet. And then you're going to repeat 3 double crochet in the next 2 spaces. So that is the pattern for this round 4. Go ahead and finish this up, and I'll meet you in that last space between the 3 double crochets. That's 3 double crochet here, chain 2, and 3 more. Okay, so this is my last stitch, and I'm gonna slip stitch into that first standing double crochet that we did, chain 1, and cut my yarn. So we're gonna start with a slip stitch in any of the chain 2 spaces. Now for this round, we're gonna work into the back loop only. So this is the next stitch and the following stitches. We're not gonna go into both sides like this. We're only gonna go into the back. And we're gonna make 2 single crochet in the next 2 stitches after you slip stitch. And to make a single crochet, you're gonna put your hook through the stitch, yarn over, pull up. You should have 2 loops on the hook. You're gonna yarn over and pull through both. I'm gonna put my stitch marker in the first stitch because it's almost leveled as my slip stitch. So 1 more single crochet in the next stitch. Once again, to make a single crochet, you're gonna put your hook through the stitch, yarn over, pull up. You should have 2 loops on the hook. You're gonna yarn over and pull through both. And in the next stitch, you're gonna make a half a double crochet. And to make that half a double crochet, you're gonna yarn over first and put your hook through the stitch. Remember, we're going into the back loop only. Yarn over, pull up. You should have 3 loops on the hook. You're gonna yarn over and pull through all 3. Now you're gonna chain 1. And in the next stitch, make another half a double crochet. In the next 2 stitches, you're gonna make a double crochet in each. So that's 1. And 2. Now you're gonna make your next stitch in the space between the 3 double crochets right here. So in there you're gonna make a treble crochet. So yarn over twice to make a treble crochet. Insert your hook in the space, yarn over, pull up. You should have 4 loops on the hook. You're gonna yarn over, pull through 2 only first. You should have 3 remaining. You're gonna yarn over, pull through the next 2. You should have 2 remaining, and you're gonna yarn over and pull through that 2. Then you're gonna chain 2. Now make another treble crochet in the same space. So yarn over twice, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. And now we're going to reverse what we did on this side. We're going to start with 2 double crochet. Now you want to make sure your treble crochets are not covering that first stitch. So that's double crochet only in the back loop. So 1 double crochet, another double crochet in the next stitch, then a half a double crochet in the next stitch, chain 1, and a half a double crochet in the next stitch. This is my standing stitch, so there we go. Then 1 single crochet in the next 2 stitches, and now you should be at the chain 2, which you're gonna slip stitch into. So this is the pattern for this round. You're gonna repeat this around. I'm gonna show you guys again on this side, and you can do the 2 sides on your own. So we're gonna start with 1 single crochet in the next 2 stitches. Don't forget we're going into the back loop only. Then a half a double crochet, chain 1, and a half a double crochet in the next stitch. Then 2 double crochets, 1 in each stitch. So that's 1 here and 1 in the next stitch. In the space between the 3 double crochets, you're gonna make a treble. So yarn over twice, chain 2, and make another treble. And then repeat 1 double crochet in the next 2 stitches, a half a double in the next, chain 1, a half a double in the next, then 2 single, 1 in each stitch, and you should be at the chain 2, so you're going to slip stitch. Okay, so go ahead and finish this round up, and I'll meet you back at that chain 2 space. I'm at my last 2 stitches. I'm going to make 1 single crochet in each. That's 1, 2, And to finish up, you're going to slip stitch into that first single crochet. Now if you're changing color, you're going to start your round in the chain 2 space, and I'm going to show you guys the stitches when I come to the chain 2 space, but I am not changing color, so I'm just going to chain 1 and then slip stitch across to the first chain 1 between the half double crochets. Then I'm gonna chain 3, and this is gonna count as my first stitch. Then make 2 more double crochet into that chain 1 space. So it should be a total of 3 double crochet stitches in that space. I'm gonna put my stitch marker in the third chain. So if you are changing color, this is where you're gonna start, and you're gonna start with a treble crochet. So for the chain 2s, we're gonna do treble crochet. So start with 2 yarn overs, so that's 1 treble. You're gonna make 2 more, so total of 3 trebles. Then chain 2 and make 3 more treble into that chain 2 space. And now in the next chain 1 space, so that's the chain 1 between the half a double crochet, you're gonna make 3 double crochets. 1, and 3. And now you're gonna make 3 double crochet into the round 4, 3 double crochets right here. So you're gonna go over that slip stitch and make 3 double crochet in there. So that's 1, 2, and 3. Then 3 more double crochet in the next chain 1 space. And then repeat the 3 treble, chain 2, 3 treble that we did here in the chain 2 space. So this is the pattern for this round. After your treble here, 3 treble, chain 2, 3 treble here, you're gonna make 3 double in the chain 1 space, and then 3 in between the 3 double crochet groups from round 4. So you're going to go over that slip stitch, and then repeat 3 double in the next chain 1 space, and then the trebles here. So go ahead and finish this up, and I'll meet you back here at the end of this last 3 double crochet right here. Okay, so I'm about to do my last 3 double crochets in the space between the 3 double crochet group from round 4. And 3. Now I'm going to slip stitch in the third chain. And we're all done. This is what your diamond granny should look like. If you want to increase the round, you're gonna slip stitch across to this space right here, do 3 double here, and then in this chain 2 space, this time you're gonna do 3 double, chain 2, 3 doubles, and then 3 double in each of these until the next chain 2 spaces. But otherwise, we're down here. You can chain 1 and cut off your yarn. And our diamond granny square is done. If you like this tutorial, subscribe to my channel. It will help me grow. Like the video. And I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching.